Social organization form helpline group for assistance to stranded people. Migrant workers from Karbi Anglong stranded in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh call for immediate assistance. Malasi Public Health Center lying in deplorable condition. Staff seek immediate action.
MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manjar Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong, where you'll get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items.
Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sepi and now let's have a look into the news in detail. There is a growing fear and anxiety in several parts of Assam as the COVID-19 cases in the state is nearing 100 mark. Here is a report. State Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma tweeted that 5 new cases were reported on Friday and Saturday respectively, out of which 7 are reportedly from Kamrup metro area. All patients are now undergoing treatment and the minister has urged upon people to remain calm and not to panic. The minister has especially requested persons above 65 years and children below 10 years not to venture out of home unless it is really necessary. With this, Assam has now registered a total 96 positive cases of COVID-19, out of which 2 had succumbed to the virus, 41 discharged and 51 cases are active, while there are 2 cases of migration. India has now become the 11th most affected country by coronavirus with as many as 91,314 positive cases and 2,897 deaths reported till the time this report was filed. The only good news about India's corona status is that the mortality rate has fallen to 8%. On Saturday, India registered its biggest one-day surge in new cases with as many as 4,864 reported. On the other hand, the National Disaster Management Authority of India has formally announced the extension of nationwide lockdown till May 31. The Ministry of Home Affairs had earlier informed that the 4th phase of lockdown have more relaxation. However, detailed guidelines are still awaited. Meanwhile, in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang had sanctioned a sum of Rs 3 lakhs from the CEM Relief Fund to bring back several students stranded in Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. Around 21 students of the district stranded there would be returning home by hired bus. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. A helpline group was formed on Saturday by the organization of the Hill District comprising of social, students and other civil organizations to extend their help towards the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the district administration to reach out and provide assistance to the people of the district stranded outside the state due to the lockdown. The helpline group was formed by organization comprising of Karbi Students Association, Karbi Students and Youth Council and the Karbi Farmers Association after holding discussion with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Authority and official of district administration for permission to form a task force to assist people from the district stranded outside. Accordingly, they held a meeting today at KSA office Rongnihang and released the helpline numbers. The team will act as a mediator for the stranded people requiring assistance to be forwarded to the concerned authorities.
Phone number, and after their contact to us, we will place their problems and we will report to the district council authority and also to the district administration authority. And also we have a request that the district administration have faced the problem to tackle
Through this step, the organization are hoping to be able to reach out to people of the Hill District who are currently stranded in different states of India. The organization also urged upon the public to share the helpline numbers with their relatives, friends, and acquaintances of stranded persons who require immediate assistance. Bikram Crow report from Diphu, Karbi Anglong Live. As the workers stranded across the country begins their movement to home, several people from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts were also hoping to return home. However, their wishes to return home may take a while. Here is a report. These 15 workers lost their jobs, their salaries unpaid, and have no means to travel home. After running out of rations, these 15 men took a drastic step to return home on bicycles, left Chennai on May 12, were rescued by Andhra Pradesh police on reaching Gudur under Nellore district and were taken to a school. Later, these men were again moved from Gudur to another place in Vijayawada. Meanwhile, another group of 20 Karbi workers still stranded in Tamil Nadu are also in a very desperate situation. They have completely run out of money and are facing severe food crisis. Their application for train tickets have not accepted till date. Prior to lockdown, these men were employed in Punamali Sunlight Enterprise, but their employers have turned their plea for help soon after the lockdown was imposed.
চেন্নাইতে কাম কৰি আছিলে আমাৰ চেন্নাইৰ পৰা আমি কোম্পানীৰ পৰা আমাৰ ৰুমৰ পৰা ওলাই দিলে আমি একো উপায় নাথাকাৰ কাৰণে আমি ৰাস্তাত আমি যাবলগীয়া হৈ গ'ল আমি পাইদল খুচকাৰি আহি আছিলে
These stranded people from Karbi Anglong have appealed upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the state government for their immediate assistance and intervention, stating that they are now facing severe food crisis and exposed to life-threatening condition if they do not get a response at the earliest. Bijoy Rongpi from Dilai and Daniel Inghi from Hamren reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. A heavy storm that hit several places under Tekelangjun area on Saturday under Dokmoka police station had left trail of destruction, leaving many families homeless and in desperate condition. Here is a report. The storm occurred at around 2 p.m. and created havoc in the Malongari area under Tekelangjun. The most badly affected villages are Jonasing Kiling village, Horchat Taro village, Jengronghang village and Bajin Tokbi village. Several houses were damaged and families suffered heavy loss of property damage during the storm. These damages have added to the woes of the family, who are already suffering the negative impacts of lockdown. These families are now homeless due to the calamity. It may be mentioned that recently the easternmost and the westernmost part of Karbi Anglong were also hit by natural calamity, resulting in the loss of life and property. The affected people are looking upon the local MSC of Korkanthi constituency Raju Tisu and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for immediate support. Samsung Ingti from Dongmokak, Karbi Anglong Live. Even after 60 years of the formation of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, many government offices and hospitals, especially those in the rural and interior places across the district, has seen no improvement like the way the government has envisioned. Here is a report of one such health center facing negligence and disregard. This dispensary, which first served as a leprosy unit, was upgraded into PHC in the year 2005 during the tenure of Khorsing Ingti as the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. 15 years after its establishment, this health center is now in a deplorable and pathetic condition. There are no ambulance, no proper water facility inside the hospital, no staff room. In addition to this, there is no staff quarters, due to which the 15 employees of the PHC are forced to stay in rent houses in Bokaghat.
ইনডোৰ পেচেণ্টৰ কাৰণে বিশেষ সুবিধা নাই
The roofs of the health center have been damaged by storm and unrepaired building is now covered with thick bushes and undergrowth. Sources inform that an annual amount of Rs 1 lakh is sanctioned for the maintenance and development of the PHC. Despite that, the PHC lacks several equipment and infrastructure which are very essential. Local people of the area as well as the employees have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for immediate action on the matter. Arjisan Rongphar from Dalamara, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.